Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a link in bio page for Instagram. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open beacons.ai and then you have to click on sign up. Now you have to create a username. Make sure the username is according to your brand, or if you're a content creator, according to your content creator account name. So I'm going to create this and see if it's available or not. Yes, it's available. I'm going to click next and then I'm going to sign up with Google. So now what do we have to do here? We have to add our social media handles. We can write our usernames here of the social media handles. Here you go. And you can fill in the rest of the remaining ones. I'm going to click next. So now it's going to customize a space for us, workspace for us. So we're going to have to wait for that. Okay, so here it is asking, is this profile picture good? I'm going to click with this. Now it just created a shareable link for us that we can share on social media accounts. So we just have to wait. Okay, so now it's asking, is the layout okay? We can select the layout according to our preferences and then click continue. You have to select one of them and click continue. Okay, so now it's a promotion. They want to see if we can try their other plans as well, but we're going to stick with the free plan. So we're almost set up. Okay, so this is our home page. So now what do we have to do? We have to add a block. So we're going to click here, add a block. Here, this is the most important step because here you'll have to add a link of your social media profile. It can be Instagram, it can be your TikTok link, your YouTube link, or if you have any other links as well. For example, if you have a Shopify store, you can add the link of your Shopify as well. So I'm going to click on links, add link. Now here we have to enter the URL of our YouTube page. And then I'm going to go here to my channel. I'm going to copy it. And here I'm going to paste this link of my channel. Add. So this is the link of my channel, which is added right here. You can see it's going to be like this here on this layout. We can change the layout format as well. We can choose either carousel, image grid, card. That's completely up to us. We can customize, the layout from here. And we can also add a title and a subtitle, but the title is already here. So we're going to go with it. So this is our link. Another thing that we can do is we can add another block as well if we want. For example, we can add our TikTok channel, we can add our Instagram channel. That's completely up to us. I'm going to add my Instagram as well and show you how to do it. So we're going to copy it. We're going to come back here and we can add this link as well. So like that, our Instagram is going to be added as well. We can give it a title too. Yeah. So this is our title and our Instagram is also added here. So once we have added all these titles, what do we need to do? Let me just remove these things that we don't want. We can also delete a block just like that. And the blocks will be deleted. So we have deleted these blocks. Okay, so once we have done all this, we can click here and our link in bio will be ready. Let me just paste here and see how does it looks. Yeah, here you go. This is how it looks. We can also change the design and the layout. If you don't like this theme, we can also change this theme. That is completely up to us because it's all customizable. So that's how you actually do it. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.